A part of Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, and we're actually we're one of the 9 organizations affiliated with MPAC, National Panhandling Council, and we're out here raising money for the water crisis in Flint, Michigan. So we're taking a pie to the face. We reached out to several organizations in Michigan to see how we could help, and the best way to give is donations. So this is a kind of quick way we can raise a lot of money and awareness for everybody.
We're out here. We can drink our tap water, we can drink our regular water, whatever it is, and they out there suffering. So anything that we can do as the MPAC, National Panhandling Council, as me as an IOTA, anything we can do is fine.
I've taken more pies in the face than I can count, but if I had to put a number to it, it's got to be in the 30 range, 30, 40 range, but it's for a good cause though. That feels good.
It feels good. Anything for Flint.
I bet the whipped cream tastes a lot better than the tap water in Flint.
Exactly.
There we go.
Exactly.
There we go.